Don't wake up when it's too late. They might think that you hate me. I'ma get it in while you wait. Better late than never. Yeah, just a wake up call. Ain't no walking out, you better wake up, dog. Yeah, just a wake up call.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Dope556 coming at you with a brand new video, and today is a pretty exciting video because I'm showing you the exact setup of my GoPro 7 Hero Black. I just got this thing for Christmas, have not used it yet. I've been waiting to get my setup complete before I start a YouTube back up because it's been pretty busy. As you can see, I'm in my college right now, the school that I attend, obtaining my associate's degree by the end of the summer, by the way. There's absolutely nobody in here. I'm in a huge dining auditorium, and absolutely nobody's in here. I'll probably show you guys that with some of this GoPro footage after we get into all of the nitty gritty. What's exciting is, you guys can probably tell, like, the camera's a little better. I just upgraded my camera too. I actually have the OnePlus 7T. Just got that a couple days ago. So I'm going to be maybe interchanging video cameras through this channel. I have some huge ideas that I'm planning on sharing with you guys by the end of this video and on my Instagram. I'm going to start being way more interactive with you guys. Let's just get into the video before I get into all of that. So here we're going to start off with the case. Now this case is not very big, but it fits up to 2 cameras and a couple of your accessories, like maybe like 2 tripods and a couple attachments that you want to fit the mic and like the adapter piece and stuff like that, a couple cases. So this was $20, $23 to be exact, and I found it on Amazon.com. It'll be the first case that pops up. Recommended choice. So comes with your regular zipper, perfect, easy to carry, everything, nothing shakes around in there, everything's like tight knit. It's perfect, as you're going to be able to tell once I open up the goods. So here we are inside of the case, right? We have the designated spaces for everything. There's 2 camera slots. There's your SD card ports. There's your screw-in ports. There's your little netting right here, which I have the original tripod that they gave me. I just threw that in there, and the charger that they gave me also. The charger is actually pretty small. It's like not even. Is this the right charger? Yes, it is. It's not like that long, so if you're not either charging from a port on the floor, it's going to be a little difficult because you'll have like your GoPro hanging just a little bit. I thought it was smaller than that. It actually looks bigger than I remembered. But here we are, the beauty, already in the purchase case that I have, the GoPro 7 Black. Here we have the Ulanzi case, and the good thing about this case is that everybody's saying that you'll be able to fit your adapter right in here instead of like having it hang off awkwardly to the side. This was, I believe, was $20 to $30, this case, or maybe a little on the higher side. I'll have the exact links and specifications in the description below so you guys can buy all this stuff. As you can see, it fits in there perfectly, a little door that kind of difficultly slides in and out, and you'll be able to pop the GoPro right out if you just like, not if you just tilt, but like if you push it, and the door slides right back on. So, and in order for you guys to be able to use the port, of course, like to fit your little box in here, you have to take off the little side door where the charging port and the aux cord can fit into. So I'm going to show you guys that right now. I'll be building my entire setup while we're conversing, because, you know, your boy likes to talk. So as you can see what I have here, I have the tripod in here. What is this called again? It's called something. It's called something cool. If you guys know what this is called, leave a comment down below. I had it in my head before I started the video, and I wanted to say the word because it was cool. I have a little mic buffer right here. The mic holder, which is actually pretty neat how this goes on. I really actually like it. It took me a while to put that on, but you know, in the famous $75 mic adapter. This thing was $75, people. Let me know if you guys can be able to find it for a cheaper price, because this little cord right here, so we can put the mic on there, was $75, almost $100 for me, on Amazon. I got all this stuff on Amazon, by the way. So what you're going to want to do is, you're going to slip the adapter inside, opposite of the way of the cord, where the cord needs to hook into the camera. You bend it, like people said before in previous videos that you've probably seen. It takes a little while for you to adjust the cord so it fits in there exactly, but when it does, it's in there right. So you can either, no, actually you can't. This is probably the only way that you can put that in there. It's a little awkward for the first couple times because the cord is stiff. We all know that. So finding the right, there we go. Now that thing's in there. Now that we got that, we have the beautiful, I love this tripod. We're going to set the GoPro down for a second. This tripod is absolutely amazing, and it's tough, it's stiff. I love that. Not like the tripod that I'm using right now to hold up my phone. This thing is like there's no shaking in it. Like the screws are like tight, everything. And it also comes with, this was actually $40, the same price as the what was it, the mic, I believe. The mic was $40 to $50 also. This stuff is actually pretty expensive. It took me a while to get all this stuff. So let me take this out for you guys so you guys can actually see. It's a twist on the bottom here, a little screw. And what's really cool is if you don't want to use the full extension, you can easily fold it back up. It gets stuck. It gets stuck right here because there's a little blue button right here, a lock button that you press, and it goes right back in. So those of you who are like stuck, like, oh, did I break my tripod? No, you didn't break it. The little blue button is what you need. So hook it into the bottom right here, twist it in. Once it's twisted in, bam, full tripod mode. You just sit there exactly how I have it right here, and you just film with your GoPro. Absolutely insane. And you just twist it out. Turn it up, twist it right back in. This thing is so amazing. For $40, I love it. So let's go ahead and hook up the GoPro here. What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna put it actually in the only spot that it can possibly go. Whichever way you want it to face is your opinion, I believe. I think you want the GoPro facing you. Little GoPro symbol right here, you want it facing you. So of course we just slide this in kind of easily. Take one of the screws that's provided when you buy the tripod. And this one is also actually given to you in the original GoPro tripod, which I have right here, which I can show you guys the difference. Try to screw this thing in there. Am I gonna really have to cut and edit? Just because I don't know how to screw a bolt in a thing. All right, after that long process, here we have it. We have the GoPro officially attached to the tripod, and it's actually super. Look at that. Look at how cool that is. That's official right there. Oh my gosh. Up. It's stuck. Back out, push, close. Now, what we're gonna have to do is put the mic piece on. And the thing that took me a while was because I didn't read the instructions. You have to twist this thing counterclockwise. See the little black piece for the hook here that hooks on top of the camera? You have to twist it so it raises, so you will be able to fit it on the GoPro. When I'm twisting it down, I'm twisting it up so it can fit on here. This mic was actually, I think, $45 or $50 on Amazon. Like I said, I will be putting all the prices and links in the video. You just, once you have it hooked on there, you twist it back down. And people were saying that you can take a layer off so the camera sits lower, but I wouldn't recommend that because this, as you can see, once I put it in here, it will be down here. The little feathers will be in front of the camera, getting in the way of your shot, rather than up here, completely away. It's still getting the exact same test sound performance. So now what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna want to put the mic piece in, and I wish there was. If you guys can see this here, it's like it's a little loose. I'm not sure if mine is broke, but like it just comes like that. There's a little echo in here. So you're gonna want to fit this in here. There we go, bingo. Stick that all the way in. Now, in order for it to be completely secure, you want to come back with your nice looking red wire here. Hook it into the mic adapter. That's why it was a struggle. The mic adapter wasn't in all the way. And then come around and hook it into the back of the mic right here. Bop. Once you hear that second snap, you know it's official. Alright, so after some trials and tribulations, I realized that I actually bent my little red. Oh, this makes me so mad. This just came in the mail. I actually bent my little red piece right here that's actually holding the mic. You see how it's like facing up? It's supposed to be like this. And it's making me so mad right now. Maybe I'll be able to bend it back to proportion. It is plastic after all. Just in case. I don't know. But as you guys can see, this is exactly what your setup should look like. Well, not exactly, because you got this thing sticking up right here. Let's go ahead and put it on tripod mode. Well, tripod stand. It's already in tripod mode. And get a full view of this thing. Full 360 view. I like how this thing is shaking. It's like it doesn't know what it's doing. And there we go. How beautiful is that? It looks so professional. There you go with the little GoPro symbol right here. This camera's actually amazing. I might not need this GoPro. Everything is perfectly set, perfect for vlogging. Just hit my backpack. And that's how you do it. Not much lighting in this place. I'm sorry about that. They don't have the brightest lights. First time up here. So, get a quick pickup view. That looks professional, right? Alright everybody, this is the GoPro footage now. We are on 4K resolution, 60 frames per second, widescreen. And the mic is on. I'm not sure if the tilt will affect it or anything, but we're going to do a quick 2 minutes of walking around and seeing what this footage actually looks like. Looking at it from inside of the camera, it looks absolutely amazing. So still, so poised, so everything. Like I said, we are in the little cafeteria area, so I'm not sure if anybody's going to be up here. We're just going to get some quick footage of stuff. Whatever we can put our eyes on. There's your boy. How do I look in 4K? Pretty nice, I assume. Of course. Back up. I'm pretty sure it's picking up every single sound, but maybe more controlled than without the mic. It's actually looking pretty good. I'll probably do the outro on here too. Why not? You know? What the? Oh, I'm feeling. What is that noise? What? What? Nope. Goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye. Nope. Nope. My eyes are watering. I actually have no idea what that noise was. I'm out of here. Holy, what the? You see how it was cutting off when I was getting closer? It was cutting off and on. We're out of here. Never go up in a horror movie. There's no way out. Bump it. The camera just shut off. The display just shut off. So I'm not sure if it's still filming or not. So we're going to continue heading up. Oh my gosh. That just gave me a rush. What's in here? We can't get in there. This school is so weird, bro. What's in here? It's locked. I'm gonna go back down. Okay, we're still filming. Alright. Get my little camera bag, my old tripod. Let's keep going. So far, you guys can see this old tripod that I have in my hand right now. Was not very comfortable to carry. But this one, are those doors always open? This one that I have right now, it fits perfectly in my hands, and it's there's a grip on it. So I know I'm not gonna lose control of it whenever I do decide to kick up and either ride my bike or drive my car. Bro, what's going on, bro? We're back in the safe house. Forget it. We're gonna end the video off right here, maybe with a quick little outro. I gotta get to class anyway. 20 minutes. First of all, let's get a quick look around of this. Nice. It's a very nice area that I'm in. So this will be perfect. Oh my gosh, look at that view. The architecture of the school is so beautiful. So beautiful. So let's do a quick little outro here. So I like it so much because it's so small we can set this thing up anywhere. So overall, right now, from my first performance with it, with all of the stuff on, running away from the haunted ghosts or whatever's in here, I have to make it to class safely. Please make it to class safely. I cannot afford another horror story. I love it. This is going to be so amazing to use rather than this rattly thing, and it was like so bulky, and it's like better than just like carrying your phone, because it's like your phone is like out and it's like always getting in the way, and the camera's like off. It's just so much better. It's like more controlled, it's smaller, looks way more professional, and like it feels right. So like I said before, changes coming to the channel. I'm thinking about doing like a I'm gonna tell you guys this first, and I'm gonna post it on my Instagram when I get home, actually, after I go to the store with my brother. Yeah, thinking about doing a game show on the channel, you know, switching it up a little bit. I already have like the little YouTube set up in my house, like with the computer and the speakers and everything, and I was thinking about maybe having some of you subscribers actually call in and be able to actually win money on my channel. I know everybody knows about Cash App, so what I was thinking was I will have a certain amount of questions, and you guys will call in to the number provided, answer those questions. Depending on how many questions you answer, each question might be worth $1. You'll win $1. By the time how much you win at the end of, you know, the video, you can actually earn up to $10 just to start off. I'm still in school, I'm still working, so I have bills to pay and everything, you know. That's the free $10 just for answering a 5-minute questionnaire phone call, you know. The Cash App will be directly sent to you, and I will probably need you guys to like send confirmation so I can show everybody else like, oh, they actually got the money. So that's what I was thinking. Probably go into a little bit more depth in the next video. This video was just show you guys what the GoPro looks like. I'm filming on the GoPro right now. If you guys are like skipping through, this is actually the GoPro footage on 4K resolution, 60 frames per second on widescreen mode, and I can't wait to see what it looks like. So that's the plans that I'm looking at for my channel, and of course, so much more footage with this GoPro. Though hopefully the weather's about to break within the next couple months. Even if it doesn't, we get so many nature shots, so many outside videos with this thing. It's just, I'm so ready for stuff to start kicking in. So if you guys are thinking about either buying any one of these items that are listed in the video, I will have the links to them in the description, so don't worry about that. I know they're kind of pricey, so I didn't get all of this in like one whop. When I got the camera for Christmas, it took me about like a month or two to like save up and get all of this stuff. So I finally have it all, so the videos